Ever wondered how your robot vacuum knows exactly where to clean without constantly bumping into your furniture? Today, we're diving into the sophisticated technology that allows these devices to navigate your home autonomously. Navigation is the core of robot vacuum efficiency. It's not just about moving. It's about sensing the environment, mapping spaces, and making intelligent decisions in real time. Home cleaning technology has shifted from manual labor to intelligent automation, moving from simple random path machines to smart robots that understand their environment. Autonomous navigation combines sensor data with complex algorithms to calculate the most efficient path for coverage and safety. To understand where they are, robot vacuums rely on a combination of physical hardware sensors and advanced digital mapping technologies. Bump sensors are the most basic safety feature. They detect physical contact, telling the robot that it has reached an obstacle so it can back up and choose a new direction. Cliff sensors are optical devices located on the bottom of the robot. They detect drops or edges, preventing the vacuum from tumbling down a staircase. Wall sensors use infrared beams to maintain a consistent distance from edges, allowing the robot to clean right up against baseboards without constant collisions. Beyond basic avoidance, modern robots build a virtual understanding of your home using LiDAR and cameras. LiDAR, or light detection and ranging, uses lasers to sweep the room, measuring the time it takes for light to bounce off objects to create a high-precision digital map. VSLAM, or Visual Simultaneous Localization and Mapping, uses cameras to identify landmarks in your room, allowing the robot to track its position relative to known features. The robot processes all this data to create a virtual grid of your floor plan, identifying areas already covered and identifying obstacles yet to be navigated. Once the map is ready, internal algorithms take over to determine the most logical way to clean the space. Older models often used random cleaning patterns. Modern smart vacuums use systematic back-and-forth lines, ensuring complete coverage and efficiency. Users can often define no-go zones through a companion app. The robot software marks these as virtual barriers, ensuring it avoids sensitive areas like pet bowls. Navigation isn't static. Even with a map, the robot continuously processes sensor data to adjust to real-time changes, such as a chair being moved or a toy left on the floor. It's truly incredible how much technology goes into a device that lives on your floor. As sensors get smarter, your cleaning experience only gets better. By pairing hardware like infrared and lasers with sophisticated software, these robots achieve a seamless balance of exploration and performance. Automated cleaning is more efficient than ever, letting you spend less time vacuuming and more time enjoying your perfectly clean home.